Hello, my name is Paige Pomerene and I am a field rep for Schluter-Systems in the Mid-Atlantic region, and today I wanted to show you some of my tips and tricks on working with KERDI-BAND and inside corners. So right here I have a 5-inch piece of KERDI-BAND as well as an inside corner. I wanted to point out on this inside corner a great reference point on where you can actually stop your KERDI-BAND, and that's right here, because from here to here it's actually 2 1/4 inches. So when you stop your KERDI-BAND at that reference point, you'll be achieving that minimum 2-inch overlap our system requires for that waterproof connection. With the inside corner installed, now I have that reference point when I come and install my KERDI-BAND. I'll take this piece of KERDI-BAND, install it to my reference point on the inside corner, like that, and I will do the same thing on the other side. Take this piece of KERDI-BAND and run it to that reference point. Now I've just achieved that minimum 2-inch overlap to have my waterproof connection and avoided unnecessary buildup all the way in the inside of this corner. The next thing I wanted to show you was how you can hold your drywall knives when embedding KERDI-BAND into the thin set. What I like to do first is put one drywall knife into the KERDI-BAND crease like so, take my second drywall knife, place it right in the middle of the first drywall knife, and then pull them simultaneously down the line, embedding it into the thin set. It's a much more fluid motion, and I'm sure you'll get to tiling a lot sooner using that motion. So there you have it. Those are some of my tips and tricks when working with KERDI-BAND and inside corners. I hope you enjoyed them. Thanks for watching.